Hi guys, I'm here with another tutorial. I know I haven't done one in a while, but nursing school has me really tied up. So, I also started an Instagram page. So if you guys want to follow me, it's Plan with Emily Fran, EMILYFRAN. So I really appreciate it if you guys follow me. So today what I'm going to be doing is doing a quick tutorial, hopefully I don't get carried away, on how to simply just make like your simple stickers, what you need to know, what you don't, all that good stuff. So keep watching. So what I'm going to do here first is I already opened up my Silhouette program. I have a new page. Me personally, I'm using a Cameo and I'm using an 8.5 by 11 sheet on DG Orange. Sticker paper from Amazon. You can get it for $11.99 for 100 sheets, I believe. So I'm going to come here to my registration marks because those are really important. These help the machine know exactly where your paper is at and all that. So I know some people don't use registration marks, but seriously, these are your life when it comes to printing. So here's what they look like. It should have on these three corners a square little line and line. Well, I personally don't like that you use so much space because the margin's like all this being wasted. So right here on your left inset, I just drag it to make them smaller and hopefully get more use out of my page. Some people do have problems with this when they try to print or when the registration fails and all that. Oh Lord, my computer is fanning. Okay, so hopefully you guys can't really hear that, but anyways, so after you have your registration marks, you're pretty much good. Then you can come over here and start drawing all your shapes. So, sorry. You can do like a rectangle and just draw it. And usually I like to zoom in to see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to click on it, and obviously the event stickers are 1.5 by 0.5, so I come over here to this one, I uncheck my locked aspect, and I go ahead and type in my 1.5 to 0.5 and click apply. So there, it's my event sticker. So then now I'm going to fill it in with the fill button. Let's do like a pink, pretty pink. And then I necessarily sometimes can cut like right there, but sometimes people have problems and they say don't put any objects like right here along the line or anywhere near these cross X's. But I always do, maybe about right there. I never have a problem. So then there's your little event sticker. Well, I'm going to move it down so you guys can see. Excuse me, your event sticker. To add your text, you can go over here, click whatever text you want. I'm going to stay with Arial, and then click your text, and let's put birthday party. Okay. Then one of the things you really have to remember is you do not want your letters to cut. So you need to go to your cut settings and put no cut. That way the letters don't cut as well. So then I'm going to go back and fill it. Let's do it a white. And then I'm going to make it smaller, obviously, and fit it in here. Oops. Now, another thing like some people want to put in here, make it straight and center, is you can go to your align, and I do center and middle. And it moves it a little bit, and there, voila, it's perfectly in the middle. And your cut line is perfect, and all that good stuff. Now, let's say this is one sticker, so you can group them so both the lettering and the boxes together, so that way if you move it, it all goes together. Because if it's not moved, you're gonna have it like that, which you don't want. So let me undo that. Let me group it back together. And that's that. So then when you're ready to do this, you can just like, what I do, I'm using a Mac, so I press Command to the arrow to the right, and it does that. Then I do shift arrow to the right, and it does that. It gives it a little space. Sometimes I like to do it twice. So then I just keep doing command arrow to the right, shift to the right, shift to the right. Then repeat. And then once I have my little row, I can click it all and command down, shift, command down, shift, command down, shift. So there you have your event stickers ready to be cut and all that good stuff. So, and it all goes with the same thing with, let's see, you want the oval looking one. So I'm going to draw it. I'm going to scale it, unlock that, apply. I'm going to fill it in. Let's do green. Or no, let's do purple. Oops. Gotta click on it first before. And then I'm going to type something. Let's do birthday party again. Let's capitalize these. Okay, so this somehow is being filled. Let's make it white. Don't forget your no cut, because it's really annoying when you're already trying to duplicate them and everything's being cut. So then I'm going to make it centered and in the middle. Then I'm going to group it, and then, oh, one down. Uh-oh. Okay, now with this shape, you can make a lot of cool shapes with it. All you have to do is move these red little dots right here, and look what happens. You have like a little oval. However more rounded you want, you can do it. And then I know this shape is really popular. Make them smaller. They don't always have to be 1 point or the ½ inch. But you always need them 1.5 because the little boxes are not bigger than 1.5. So same thing, adding. So let's make this a little bigger. A lot of people have been wondering how to do the transparent box. So I don't know how other people do it, but this is how I've been able to do it. So I'm going to go this way, make a smaller one, or make a duplicate, make it smaller, make it white, fill it in white, and then click on my advanced options. Oop. Make it transparent, put it on top. I'm going to align it so it's in the center, in the middle. And I could possibly actually make it even a little bit bigger. Let's see. You can play with the size of the transparency that you want. And then even how transparent you want it. It could be one or like really wide, or I think that's like a good thing. And make sure it's not set to cut. Those cut lines are tricky. So now I can kind of group it and replicate it however I want. Okay. Now I know a lot of people also have been doing this whole knife tool. So let me show you how the knife tool works. So I'm going to bring this down. What I do is I hold down shift, so I'm going to click shift, and then cut, so it cuts straight. That way your line is not. And then you see that shape that everybody's been wanting for the event stickers, and then ta-da, you have a perfectly new. Let's group it. And this can be done with any other shape you want. What else? The scallops. Okay, so the circles. Circles, look at what happens when you just do it. So what I do is, let me delete this, I click shift and then draw the circle, that way it's even all around. See what I mean? So what I do is, oop, what happened there? There's one circle. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. And I'm probably gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the scallop that everybody likes. So that's how you do it. You draw another one and then you duplicate it and then move it back to the left however times you want. And there's your shape. So then to do this, you press weld and that's how it makes the shape. Then go to your cut lines. Look, it's already there. And then you need to size it down. So 1.5, 0.5, and there's your event sticker, but it's scalloped. You can also do it with all kinds of different shapes if you want. I've done it with hearts, with stars. It just kind of looks funky, but I mean, they're cool. And you can also draw different circles. I know some scallops are even like thinner, wider, doesn't matter. What else? Well, I guess that's all for today. This is something that you should try to get down first before trying to do all this crazy other stuff, designing and all that. Make sure you can at least do like event stickers, do transparent boxes, and a little bit scallopies. Other than that, on to my next video. Hopefully I'll go more in depth into this whole sticker making thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.